Hi guys, and welcome to another ChatGPT based tutorial. And in this tutorial I want to show you what the ChatGPT tasks are and how you can use them to improve your day-to-day life. And there's a really cool feature from ChatGPT that I just wanted to show you. So basically now you can actually schedule tasks from ChatGPT directly to your inbox, so you'll get like emails like these in a specific time that you decide, with whatever the tasks you want, and you can then just click on the link and go direct to ChatGPT and check the task. So it can be a lot of things, like for example in this case we have a task for every day at 9 a.m. just give you the latest AI news in the artificial intelligence space, and we just get an email like this, we click it and we will go and check, and then we can just do whatever we want with that information. But this is really helpful, guys, if you want to start doing tasks like, as I said, especially news, like news about your industry every single day. For example, every quarter you want ChatGPT to remind you that it's time to review your goals, for example. So it can even just say basic stuff like every morning just give me a compliment and tell me how great I am, for example. So you can be creative with the tasks, but it's a really cool reminder and really cool feature about ChatGPT. So in order to do that, you just need to have to come here, and you see here ChatGPT with schedule tasks, and as you can see this one here. So it's still on beta mode, so sometimes it can give some little errors. To be honest about it, we already saw some errors on this, but it's really I think it will improve a lot, and it's really cool one. So you can just create whatever you want. So for example, every morning at 9 a.m. WT time, well, it's my time, but give me a compliment and motivate me to start crushing the day. Okay. So it's a really corny one. Again, guys, I'll give you some use cases at the end, but every morning, so you just do like this. Okay, and now he will create a task. So as you can see, it will give you a morning boost at 9 a.m. Okay, you can even allow the notifications on your desktop, so you can actually grab and they start popping up here, which is really cool. I don't use them, but you can just click allow or not now for this specific task. And as you can see, if you click on the tasks here, I can even click on the little dots and edit, pause it, or view all tasks. If you open up, you can actually see the task, so I can change the instructions. I can pause it, I can delete it, so you don't need to actually just delete, you can actually pause it for a while. It's daily, it's even custom, so you can be really specific, like only the last Thursday of each month. The time as well is customized, so you can change whatever time you want, and the instructions, of course, and you can give another name, not just motivating me, of course. But again, I'll click save it, it will save these tasks here. But now every 9 a.m. I will get an email like this saying motivated me, the task, and I go to here and I will just get a really nice motivational message to start my day, and I can even talk with ChatGPT about it. So it's really cool, guys. Again, if you go and you want to check all the tasks, you can click here. But if you are on the ChatGPT in the normal interface like this, you just click on your logo and you click on tasks. You see here. So now as you can see, we have some tasks here, and the motivated one is the one that I did. You can click on the pencil to edit or pause or delete on the three little dots, or if you click on it, it will go to the chat. Okay, so if you click on it, it will go to the chat, not to edit. To edit, you need to click edit here, or if I go to the tasks, you need to click on the little pencil. And then I'll show you an example, for example, here with our AI news, which is running for a while. This is a test that we are doing. As you can see, you always have the latest breakthroughs of AI. So these are the latest ones. And as you can see, there's a lot of them right now that it give us every single, let me see how is the frequency. I think it's every morning. So daily at 9 a.m. Okay. So as you can see, that's why we have a lot. And now I can do whatever I want with this. I can just grab and make a LinkedIn post about it. I can ask like, make me a LinkedIn post, whatever you want to do with the information. You can continue talking with ChatGPT. So as I said, guys, really easy to set up on the task. So you just choose the task one here module. You just write wherever you want. Okay, I will delete the last one so you can see it. So we can delete this one. Click delete. Okay. But some really cool use cases, guys. I think the top two, and that's the top examples we have here. The first one is asking for news and updates about your industry, so you're always on top of your industry. That's one of the cool tasks. It can be like once a week, like every Monday, or it can be daily, whatever you want. The other cool, really cool one is this one here, for example, send competitors updates. So basically, you can put URLs, as you see here. This was the instructions. Every Monday at 9 a.m. can give me updates on my direct competitors, stuff like mentions, price changes, product change, new news about them, and anything you find relevant. Here are the competitors, and I just use examples, Pipedrive and Monday.com. And as you can see, it grabbed me here. This was on March 26th, so yesterday. It grabbed some updates from this month. So the Pipedrive just improved their AI sales assistant, it improved their mobile app, expanded email syncs integrations, mentions and news, recent articles, strong adoption on small business in Europe, no recent price changes announced. So this is really, really good, guys, because you can be on top of your competitors. You can put your top 5, top 10 competitors here, and every like Monday, for example, or every day, but I'll say mostly like every Monday or even once a month, you can have your team or like the head of department for like your product development or your marketing team can just come here and check, okay, what are the competitors doing this month, what they did, like what was the news, what they changed, and you can be creative. So this is a really cool example for tasks if you want to keep updating with your competitors. Another one that I told you is that, as I said, some for like reviewing your goals, your monthly goals, your quarterly goals. It can be just a really simple task like remind me to check my my profit and loss CSV file every like the last day of the month. So it can be a lot of stuff, but I think these examples are really cool and it's really simple. Get a task, create the task, and then you can manage all the tasks on the right side here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next ChatGPT tutorial.